Packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, asparagus is the ultimate green you need in your diet. It may not be possible to add these to your cooking every single day, but if you need something special to crunch up your diet, then this is it. You can enjoy this veggie either grilled, roasted, or steamed, and it takes just a few minutes to prep them up. Serve them as a side, toss them into a salad, or let them shine on their own. The choice is yours, but no matter how they're served, everyone will love it. Fresh, nutritious, and oh so delicious, grab your bunch of asparagus today and elevate your meals to the next level, only at Simpli Namdharis.